Good morning, everybody. How are you on this fine Friday afternoon? All right, let's kick off by calling down the Unified Basketball Team, athletes and helpers. Come on down. All right, now turn and face everybody. Turn and face everybody. All right, so we're going to impromptu. We're going to pass the mic down. You're going to introduce yourself, and then you're going to say what your favorite part of the season was. Lucas, you got it?
I liked meeting new people and helping people out.
Joshua Soul, just like helping out the new and younger players, and Loftus makes me play for her.
My name is Jamie, and I like my coaches.
My name is Carter, and the thing I liked about Unified is us winning against Waterville.
My name's Devin. I help that team now. My name's Kevin. I like my coat.
You don't want to do it? All right, we don't need to make, she doesn't have to.
My name's David, and my favorite part was the staff game. My name's Jacob. My favorite part was the staff game.
My name's Hannah, and I liked helping people out.
My name's Holly. My name's Kate, and my favorite part was the teams helping each other out.
I'm Sophie, and my favorite part was dancing at halftime.
My name is Kylie. I like shooting hoops.
My name is Paige, and my favorite part was the staff game.
My name's Emily, and my favorite part was helping everyone out.
My name is Jaden, and my favorite part was helping Kylie.
And this is Emma. Congratulations, everybody. Big round of applause for Unified Basketball. All right, I need two students to stand up. Lily Frappier-Shaw and Natanya Lilly. Stand up for me. They just found out that they passed the state certified CNA exam. Congratulations. Great job. All right, speaking of the Tech Center, we have a few other things to mention. We recently found out a couple months worth of Student of the Month. So let's go all the way back to March, where Tati Camp got Student of the Month for the Early Childhood Program. Tati, great job. The following students in April received Student of the Month recognition. Josh Krause for Information Technology. Lily Frappier-Shaw for Pre-Nursing AM. Natanya Lilly for Pre-Nursing PM. David E. Rennie for Mass Media AM. Morgan Fortin for Mass Media PM. and Riley Grenier for information technology. Congratulations to all of you. The Tech Center also announced their National Technical Honor Society class for 2023. So a huge round of applause goes out to Alex Cruz in the Early Childhood Program. Go ahead and stand up, Alex. Lila Tutil in the Emergency Services Program. For precision machining, Talon Loftus. And also for precision machining, Alana Carreros. Congratulations to all of you. All right, so today, this is going to be our last student recognition ceremony. And so we are going to recognize 2 students of the month in each grade level, one for May and one for June. Because unfortunately, the seniors will be leaving us before we would have an opportunity to do another one. So, and I know you're all sad about that. Seniors, you guys are sad too, I know. All right, so let's hear it up for the freshman homeroom teachers. Here we go.
Ready? All right. Hi everybody, I'm happy to announce the May Student of the Month. The May Student of the Month is an outstanding student and school citizen. He maintains a high level of academic achievement with all his hard work in and out of the classroom. And speaking of outside of the classroom, not only does he play football and track, he helped lead the Black Raiders to the New England Championship in co-ed cheering this year. We are proud to name Brody Davidson. And the June Student of the Month challenges themselves consistently. They have a positive attitude, advocating for fellow classmates to help them do better in class. They view their educators as people who are continually checking in with them. She is involved in many activities outside of the classroom. It is for these reasons that Astra Cutton is the freshman class Student of the Month for June. All right, if you are friends with Astra, you can text her and tell her that she's won a major award because she's not here today. All right, congratulations, freshmen.
Thank you, Mr. Goldsmith. All righty, let's hear it for the sophomore homeroom teachers.
All right, first up, the May Student of the Month has made tremendous improvement from freshman year to this school year. The student of the month is kind and unassuming and very kind to others. They are hardworking in and out of the classroom. And the student of the month also helped the sophomore class set up for Sadie's and is involved in the drama club. It is for these reasons that Leah McPherson is the May student of the month for the sophomore class. And our June student of the month holds themselves to a very high academic standard. The student of the month will work with anyone at any time and always shows concern for others while working hard in all of their classes, being active in 3 sports after school. It is for these reasons that Kyrie Meek is the June student of the month for the sophomore class.
Let's hear it for the junior homeroom teachers.
The May student of the month has a genuine interest in learning. He works well with any age group that he joins. The conscientious student is always prepared for class and maintains a positive attitude. He has a perfect balance of seriousness of purpose. He has a perfect balance of seriousness of purpose and wit. The junior homeroom teachers are pleased to announce that Nathan Hatt is the May student of the month. The June student of the month is a classroom leader in every sense of the word. She is polite, friendly, kind, and dedicated. She treats others with respect. She is helping out the junior class with prom decorations, even though she is not an officer and can't attend because of the dance recital. Congratulations to June student of the month for the junior class, Megan Morrison.
Last but certainly not least, senior homeroom teachers.
All right, our May student of the month transferred to Winslow High School at the beginning of this school year and quickly cemented himself as one of our own. He is mature, polite, and will continue to blossom at USM as both a student and a wrestler. It is Winslow's pleasure to award our Black Raider as May student of the month for the senior class, Caden Trask. So for June, we have known for her quick smile and infectious laugh. This young lady has recently been awarded the Student of the Month at MMTC for emergency rescue. She performed extremely well at State Skills USA competition and helped lead the Black Raider cheering team to New England's. Not to mention that she is also being inducted into the NTHS. She will be attending SMCC for paramedicine next year. Congratulations to the June Student of the Month, Lila Tutel.
All right, one more round of applause for all of our students of the month. If you just received Student of the Month, just make sure you come down afterwards so that we can grab a picture for the board. And we'll find a way to get our couple of students who were missing today on that picture as well. All right, time to give out some money, I believe. I don't see my name on that check, though.
Sorry, you gotta do the work first. So, this is our most expensive month yet. We have given away this month $3,500, which is super exciting. And I also wanted to mention that just because summer's coming doesn't mean that you can't get on the list and earn $500 for yourself. We are still going to be doing the badge over the summer, so just reach out to one of us and we can still get you your cash. So for this month, we have Hunter Gunning, and if you could stand and we'll take pictures after. So Hunter Gunning and Zachary King. Stand up. Izzy Fleury, which I don't think she's here today, and Nolan Kelly. Oh, Leah Owen, sorry Leah, I skipped over you. And Stella Nutting, who's not here today. So congratulations on your hard work, and come see me if you want to earn some money.
Alrighty, underclassmen, we are looking for the next Black Raider. So somebody who would like to take over for this handsome Black Raider. If you are interested, come and see me or Mr. Bersani, and we will chat about some things and what the expectations are. Folks, there's about a month left of the school year. Seniors, a few less days than that. End the school year positively, treat each other with respect and dignity like you do every day. As the weather starts to warm up, we start thinking that it's summertime already. Right after April break, the seniors think that they've already graduated. We're not quite there yet. Maintain, don't do anything foolish that would put your whole school year in jeopardy at this point. You guys can do it. Black Raider family strong. Have a great day.
Hey!